A haircut is most definitely required. So, just before we get going, my aim with this video is to produce a sort of sense of realism, as if you're travelling with my partner Connie and I across Scandinavia. I'm using raw, short raw video clips with sound, just to give it a feel like you're actually there. This is our journey with small carry-on backpacks across Scandinavia on a budget. Although, as we may find, the Nordic countries aren't particularly well known for being a good place to visit on a budget, but they are very beautiful. Anyway, enjoy.
So I'm just thinking, Mum, Dad, Georgia, Lisbon, and Lucy. It's good. Oh, it's not very good.
Why not?
Because of the lighting.
Oh.
That's okay. You can't really see.
Is it actually moving? Really? Love.
Horace, that's the thickest thing I've ever drank. No, seriously. It's like a soup.
Oh no.
It's great.
I've never ever seen a subway like this.
Hi, Horace. Should we make the bed?
No.
I've got my cinnamon. I want the cinnamon roll. But I really want to get a compliment. That's cool.
So we're sat here with a mocha latte.
2 mocha lattes.
What even is a mocha latte?
Secret.
A latte?
Oh, it's... It died again. I've had enough. Anyway.
I'm enjoying the hustle right now.
Museum go. I thought maybe we could give them a mirror.
Yeah.
We've had so much fun. What do you hear about camping?
Yeah. Wow, I wish it was like later than 7 AM.
Animals, by the way.
Oh, so you can't stay here?
Yeah, I know.
What a shame. Whee! Not too far then, hey? Yeah. Oh, this lighting's quite nice actually with the light coming straight into the window. This place is cool looking though.
I'm not even hungry.
Really? So you're not hungry?
No.
I think you need to have a chip for me.
What?
Have a chip. Yeah. Yeah, me too, Connie, me too. Nice to be in the park though, eh? Just thought I'd capture the fog. Don't breathe too heavily. Go on.
Jungle juice bar?
Oh wow.
Please. Bye.
Yes.
Well, that's your section. What's the big door? I love this panoramic.
Yeah. Panoramic window.
It is, isn't it?
Bus. It was very nice being on your cute luggage pack. Oh, look at that turning circle though. The vibes I'm getting from Turku so far is it's a little more unhinged than Helsinki. Big. Beautiful. Connie!
I'm coming.
Come on then.
So.
Yeah. I wish there was a boat going past.
Acorn.
Acorn.
No, Horace, look.
Hang on.
It's an acorn.
Just a murmur of people. Everyone's going. Just look at that, you can see out the window. It's alright, isn't it?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
Say hello to cinnamon roll.
I was going to say hello to the Finnish flag outside.
No, but cinnamon roll. Oh.
I think this may actually be, like, not a low point in my life, but, like, metaphorically speaking.
I think it's.
Look at that.
I find it very funny how we were dead asleep and some random Swedish lady just opened the door and shouted, "Good morning!
No, she's so kind.
Good morning!"
Morning.
So now we're in Sweden.
About 5 minutes later, we are.
We are up, we're ready to go, and we are in Sweden.
She's ready to brush her eyebrows.
Yes. Excellent. They didn't respond, so I don't like that. That was the first time on this trip that I've actually gone out of my way to say hello to someone, and they just ignored me. It's not like that. Look at Stockholm.
I think that's the next.
On the left.
Okay, well, that sign looks like it could be.
Very nice.
Oh, this is perfect.
Is it working?
That's a good idea.
Not quick enough. Oh, sleeping people. McDonald's!
Haven't had focaccia in ages.
No, I know that smells really good.
Oh, I need to change this now to Swedish.
Nice.
Is it?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, that's beautiful.
I know.
I can't wait to go in there. Is that a theme park?
Probably.
Look.
Fassa. So many people. walking through the streets of Stockholm.
Vain.
Why? It's not very nice.
That was really good.
I got it. This just feels like we're going on the road. Dungeon. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.